Say we're going to make slime.
We're going to make slime today. First, we just use normal Elmer glue. Let's pour it in. I made a bubble.
I think you got it.
Okay. We're done with that. Now we're going to put a cup of water, all of it. A cup of warm water, all of it. And then we're going to add some glitter. Wait, I thought we put that in first. Okay, add some glitter.
What color is the glitter?
It is purple. It's pink. And then we're going to stir it.
Use your other hand to hold the bowl, okay?
Use your other hand to hold the bowl and we're going to stir it. Just kind of turn it in. Okay. Now we're going to
Mix it from back here too. There's a lot of glue there.
We're almost done mixing it. It splattered a little.
It's okay. Look at it. Then you put in
Now we
a quarter cup of water with, say,
what is it?
half a teaspoon of borax.
Then we put warm water with a half a spoon of borax.
And you just dissolve the borax.
And you dissolve the borax.
Pour it in.
And then you pour it in. And you grab the spoon. And then you mix it up. And then
Presto!
Keep mixing.
it's going to turn into slime. Ew. That's kind of gross. You see that? That was horrible. Ew, look at this. That is kind of gross. That is way more slimy than our last one we made last week. This week.
Okay. Reach in and take it out.
Now we're going to reach in and take it out.
Take it all out.
It is, I think. Yep.
Okay, hold it.
Look at it. It's so
Pretty.
pretty.
Glittery.
Glittery. And we're going to make another one. I'll see you. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Please give me a thumbs up.